Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Ka jursi balane hadu khat news nem prasha ek Dr. Amprin M Lingdo halor ka jinkno bathum kam nong hikai be an. Ha kapor bakadang long menteri ka puli puthi hapo ka sarkar Kongres bidang long menteri rangba o Dr. Didi Lapang. Kala kutno mentahadin baka Meghalaya High Court kala ai karai ban pun kutno e katika mukot duma. Ka jinkno prasha ha kata kapor haus nem arhajar pra bat arhajar kendai Kalami kajing keno ba kajing yethong ya kinong hikai school balakot kerteng daga Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOS. Kala syukla no. Loong bahadin kajing penmi ya ke result. Kala don kajing penkala ya ke list bad ya umak bala ai dak interview board. Kinong hikai badan ke kerteng bala syak pun kenria bad ba badang syurung temai kila pen pau ya kajing keno ba kajih haling ba kajing yalam jangka menteri puli puthi ha kata kapor ka Dr. Amprin M Lingdo. Kajin keno kalong baladon ki kot ki slagi ba pen I badan kajin pen kelai ki mag chung ki kerteng ki bala pas. Bad pen don kam de ki jin pen bet ban menjur ki briu ki ba klempoi ha ka kerdan balabu. Kani kala pen mi kajin ye prasha na ki seng riu pat ba ki seng san perthai ba du na ki pat ba nang shong shnang. Hadin kata kajin bishar kelas dang bala syune mentala khat news nem. Kajingnya sahat berkerai khaddo na kaliang jong ke Dr. Amprin M Lingdo kala penpau bagari tang kajing keno berbakakam berkajingnya sela kala long bekat kum kajing long an. Ban pensai ke kerteng jongka kala let jingnya kun hak kashri nadu kapor bami kate kajing keno. Ya kajingnya kun haying bishala shamti da usinya advocate jengka Supreme Court Usalman Khurshid ringkat berkasanjita an kibalaya saat hakmat ke Meghalaya High Court hadu baka rai khadu la ai kalai trik unai lor arhajar absan ka jimpin pau jimut jengka Dr. Amprin M Lingdo hadin bala penkut no ya ketika mukot duma ka Dr. Amprin ka ong nga snotho ba hadin khat news nem ka jingsha keno ka hok kalami shai yang ibaro ba ka hok kan job la dan yaile bat ban yakun ha ka lenti ka bade nga ai da ka jingu kerpang i Usalman Khurshid bat ya ka sanjitaan ki bala trei shitom ban yadai ka kerteng berkaburam jonga Kani kajing job kadiru kajing pendam ya kajing syak keno klem nongrim kabala penshitom yang akum ke menteri bat kum kanong mikmat pat ba labun snem. Karai jeng kajing bishar kalawan ru kajing sngow khamshai shiki pat ba labun snem kisudon ha kajing artatin ka penkut no ya ka wei na ki mukot duma ba pau bha ha ka history jeng ka puli puthi bat ka siyasat hajilla kabalam ne kum kamat banit tudai pat ba la slempha
No, my height. All of those things, and I was super happy also. Kani biga sing ka ba? Nandon kantin ban kre. Kasi day bet sang kadin sungu yung place na ikanra. Ay nga kani kabanta. Bangan yo, bangan lek sukakot, bangan pagkut, ya kasya ing bakiba katukat ni sita halor kasateng dongan. Katno pila penmong yang katno pila penfungsi yang katno pila trenden yang dengan duai mentayu dari ay nga kabor bangan map iti bono. Deban map, deban bunut, deban bukong. Bangan duai bulay ay nga kata kajing yo ijengay bangan map itu gibala lek den yang gibala trenden yang gibala pedang yang kadolo tu dengan sungu hamtam lele ya tihi betan tu dengan blok sungai dot kantin ipun sungai ijit buzel bat ikaira ipara ki men ki tunga babi don shu ange bagi sungu ya kene kabadi ipong queen ilay sungai don shu ange bagi kai siap kata kata di kursi don kun kita ketemu Andre makakasi sikulen habening bak yui bak ngala persyang pun jong ibak Peter pangan ai kejing syakri ka bahau kejing syakri ka babek kejing syakri ka baklem pai liang bak kejing syakri ka baklem le sia kadai kasni ka bakmen yang ngampak download the details of the case naman mane bro shisni ngalitor sa jirang nilek man play ya kaway ka factory sa po jirang Clemdon network ngam tip baha ya ki details nray kumbala keren ijit ibadai u advocate u bala pas ta kakudan ka babyang ba in pensutho yang mamay kalakod ka case batla drop iki charges persya yang ban nga aya pi kaway kakulan kinong kersan jonga bapi kejing yaisha jukfi kejing kersan kejukfi kaklep long leno bat mentakasi kani ka judgment kablaw lot yang ana kani ka case kalawan bat ngalong kabril kabasngo shibon bat kabanyay pendem hakijig duay hakajig syakri jonga.
If we can refer the question to our lawyer, Sanchita, who's here. Sanchita, can you hear us?
Yes.
Okay.
So the judgment has not been uploaded yet. It was pronounced in open court today by the Honorable Chief Justice. And he said in clear terms that she's been discharged. All the charges against her have been quashed. The order passed by the trial court, which framed charges against her, that has been set aside. Therefore, no case exists against her as on date.
So if the CBI moves Supreme Court, you are ready to fight the case till the Supreme Court?
Of course.
Definitely. We believe in the innocence, and we believe that this judgment of the Honorable High Court will be upheld by the Honorable Supreme Court as well.
Things that we only account for ourselves. We are not answerable for anyone else, and that court judgment is specifically for me in the content of us reading the judgment with respect to my case. Yes, Sanchita, maybe you need to simply.
This chapter is closed. Of course, CBI has a right to challenge the order before the Supreme Court. Whether or not they'll avail of it is another question. But the Honorable High Court has found her to be not involved in any of the charges that she was accused of. As on date, that's the status.
But what about the affected candidates? Will they be reinstated, the so-called tainted?
That was already decided by the high-level committee. So that was only the criminal culpability part was an issue because this was a criminal case. So only that was an issue here. So that has been decided. The taintedness and all of that had already been decided. It was an issue that had been closed long ago. So at this moment, this case was restricted only to the criminal culpability.
It was the High Court itself which ordered to file FIR by the CBI. So is it the order going against the High Court itself?
See, there's a difference between asking the CBI to investigate and to say that you find her guilty. There's a difference between that. CBI had only been asked to investigate. Now, the charge sheet that they filed was flawed, and therefore the court held that case is not made out against us based on the charge sheet that they have.
Thank you so much. I will pray that God gives me the strength to forgive those that have harmed us. I cannot speak more than that. We are watching the next move of anyone very closely. And I can only say at this point of time, let us bask in the truth that this nation gives citizens a chance to talk about.
Can you tell us?